Hi everyone and welcome. Today we are back with yet another video, and today we will be discussing about how to use Fife in Guts and Black Powder. So just follow this step-by-step process and you will be good to go. So what we're going to do is, first of all, you can see we got our Fife here, Mr. Fife, and the Fife is a support based weapon that can decrease the amount of time it takes to reload a firearm and increase the hammer's efficiency when played. So if you press F onto your keyboard, will show a cycle of songs that can be played by the instrument. The player can press Q and E to cycle through the songs while a song is being played. The player will grant other players near them an increase in reloading speed and an increase in the amount of health restored to the buildings per use of the hammer. So that should be kept in mind, since it is basically based on the tactics that you're gonna use it with. So the Fife also has a metronome that requires timing clicks of the mouse to be to the song beat to maintain. So you're gonna maintain a beat of song, then it have a metronome that is going to be based on your mouse clicks, and eventually pressing Z will turn the metronome's audio cue on or off. So that's how basically you can use Fife in Guts. And if you still are facing any issues, let us know in the comments, and I will try to help by simply replying to you guys. So feel free to do that, guys. Subscribe,